Okay, cellos. So now we're going to learn Best of Baroque on page 14 in our books. So the first two bars, well, the whole first line only has 2 bars that we play in. So we're going to do the rhythm first. Okay? So the rhythm is ta, 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 sh, ta, 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 sh. So I've silently counted the 2 bars that are resting. The counting is really important. So our notes that you can see are G, G, D, G, G, D. So make sure you're thinking about your teeter-totter. So when you switch from G to D, all you do is a little change of the angle. That's it. Make sure there's the rest in between. G, G, D, rest. G, G, D, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we look at line 2. Actually, do that with me. Let's do that together. Just line 1 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, D. G, G, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So the second line has the same thing for the first 2 bars, and then it's different. So that rest, I'm not showing you the page because I want you to be looking at your own book, and because I only have the violin book here, but it's the exact same music. But it would confuse you to see the different clef. So in here, there's a 2-beat rest now. So we've got rest, rest, D, D, rest, rest, D, D. So line 2 should sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. So remember, the rests are as important as the playing. So we'll do that together now, just line 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good job. Okay, now we have line 3. Actually, let's do line 1 and line 2 together. Let's do that. So just the first 2 lines, I'm going to play with you. I'm going to say the letters and we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, D, rest. G, G, D, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, D. G, G, D. 1, 2, D, D. 1, 2, D, D. Good job. That's the whole first half done. So now, in the middle line, line 3, we have a 4-beat rest. That's a whole bar where we just have to go. And it's even good, just bob your head if you have to. Bob your head, tap a toe. Make sure you're keeping the heartbeat. Then, in bar 2, we have D, 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 D. And then it goes to G, G, D. So, the last bar is different though. Instead of our pattern of G, G, D, it's the opposite. We have D, D, G. So, it sounds like this. I'm going to show you line 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 G, G, D, 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 G. Now play it with me. So I'm going to count 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 G, G, D, 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 G. Good. Okay, so now line 4. We're doing line 4. So there's 2 bars of rest, which we need to be silent for. And then, exact same pattern as we did above. We have our D, D, oops, D, 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 G. Make sure it's nice and clean and you're not hitting other strings. It's just a little move of the teeter-totter or the seesaw. I'm not sure which word you use in Australia. Whichever one. Okay? So, let's do line 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, D, 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 G. Good. Please remember that counting is very important. Last line. We have rest, rest, D, D, rest, rest, D, D. We've done this before. A lot of this piece is repeating itself. So let's try line 5, the last line. So I'll show it to you first, then we'll have time to do it together. So it goes rest, rest, D, D, rest, rest, D, D, rest, 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 D, D, G. Make sure you stop right away. You don't go G. It's just a ta. Let's play the last line together. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D. Good job. I'm going to play now the entire thing, and I will put on the recording for you so you can hear it with the... No, I'm going to do the whole song without the music, and then you can practice it yourself with the recording. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 G. G, D, 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 G. 1, 2. D, 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 G, G, D, 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 G. G, D, 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 G. G. I'll make another video with the recording, and also the recording is on the CLE, so you can practice yourself. Please, when you are finished your end of the lesson, best version of it, record yourself playing it with the recording and put it into our team so we can see how well you've done. Also, it'd be great to watch someone else's and give them a positive comment.